Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've had some absolutely gorgeous weather so far today with cool overnight low temperatures last night, providing us with a pretty cool morning to start out with as well. Temperatures just in the 70s so far this morning as of 9 a.m. You can see throughout the region generally running in the low 70s, 71 degrees under mostly sunny skies here at Wallops. You can see even cooler conditions up in Salisbury as of 9 a.m. only up to 69 degrees. Temperatures overnight last night were pretty low throughout the region, 51 degrees in Salisbury, all the way down to 56 degrees here at Wallops, so some uncharacteristically cool temperatures for this time of year. Yesterday we saw a pretty breezy day for Sunday as well as on Saturday with those easterly winds keeping our temperatures pretty cool right along the coast, 77 degrees at Wallops, 74 degrees, the daytime high temperature at Ocean City yesterday. You can see warmer readings off to our west as you get away from that coastline. Pax River up to 85 and Washington, D.C. up to 85 degrees as well. Taking a look at our information from this morning's balloon release, that freezing level is at 15,400 feet. And our winds have a northeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, becoming northerly in direction right around that 9,000 foot level, and then back to an easterly component up to 25,000 feet where we see a northeast wind at 12 knots. Looking at our current surface analysis, we've got a frontal boundary that is stalled off to our south and east this morning. High pressure building in to the north, and that area of high pressure will suppress this tropical storm that has developed off the Carolina coast over the weekend, and we're going to continue to see this storm remain fairly stationary over the next couple of days until a frontal boundary begins to pick it up and move it harmlessly out to sea by the middle of the week. But taking a closer look here at the storm here on infrared satellite, you can see very little movement over the last several hours, and we're going to continue to see it basically remain stationary here throughout the day today while it begins to strengthen over the warm waters off the Atlantic coastal sections here over the course of the next couple of days. Right now, Tropical Storm Chris has maximum sustained winds at 60 miles per hour, and we do expect it to strengthen further as we go through the day today, and will likely become a hurricane over the next several hours as it continues to strengthen. Fortunately, hurricane track has it moving well off the coast and not affecting us with any more than some high surf over the next couple of days, and you can see the spread of computer models in very good agreement, keeping that storm off the coast and moving it to the northeast as it gets picked up by a frontal boundary on Wednesday. So looking at our forecast maps and what we can expect over the next couple of days, that frontal boundary remains to our south overnight tonight into the day on Tuesday. That storm, you can see, begins to strengthen a little further over the course of the next 24 hours, likely becoming Hurricane Chris by tomorrow, if not earlier. And we'll see a frontal boundary begin to slide down from the northwest. Out ahead of that frontal boundary, we'll see a increasing southwesterly flow, which will help to bring Chris well out to sea and off to the northeast over the next several days, and quickly off to the northeast by Wednesday night. Chris should be well off to the out into the Atlantic and harmlessly out to sea, not really affecting us with any more than some high surf. By Wednesday evening, that frontal boundary will bring in some upper level energy, and we could see some isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout the region Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. They should be fairly isolated with only about a 25% chance of seeing one of those showers and thunderstorms in our immediate area. Taking a look at the next 24 hours, we're going to see very nice conditions continuing. No hazards to be concerned with those light northeasterly winds becoming variable, less than 5 knots over the overnight hours tonight after midnight. And we'll see another cool evening in store for us, those low temperatures dropping into the low 60s. For Tuesday and Wednesday, more of the same as far as the dry weather conditions continuing for Tuesday, but we will see some warmer conditions with those daytime high temperatures up into the upper 80s. Looks like the humidity will still not be too bad tomorrow, so even though we see temperatures in the upper 80s, shouldn't be too uncomfortable out there with the lower humidity values. But Wednesday we will see a little bit more humidity work its way into the region. We'll see a little bit more lower level moisture providing a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms as that frontal boundary moves through the area as well. Looking for a high of 87 degrees, and those showers and thunderstorms most likely to occur during the afternoon and evening if they occur at all. So for the next 7 days, we're looking at pretty dry weather overall, just that chance of some shower and thunderstorm activity late in the day on Wednesday, and we'll see fairly comfortable conditions too. High temperatures in the upper 80s for Tuesday and Wednesday, but for the end of the week, not looking all that bad as well, with temperatures in the mid 80s. Humidity probably will be the worst on Wednesday as we see that frontal boundary moving through, and then again we'll see the humidity begin to tick up by next weekend. Saturday and Sunday look to see a little bit more humidity, chance of showers and thunderstorms by Sunday with high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.